Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a QR code in Canva. By the end, you'll confidently add a scannable QR code to any design, flyers, business cards, posters, or social posts using Canva's built-in tools. Plus, I'll share some tips to make sure your QR code works reliably in the real world, ensuring it provides a smooth experience for your audience. First, open your design in the Canva editor. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click the section labeled Apps. In the search bar that appears, type QR code to find Canva's native QR code option right inside the editor. This keeps everything in one place, so you don't have to jump to an external website, making the whole process more seamless and efficient. Next, select the QR code app that shows up as the built-in option. It's typically the first result and clearly identified as Canva's own tool. Choosing the native generator keeps the process simple, consistent, and free of extra setup. No need for complicated third-party tools. Canva has made it incredibly easy for you to create a QR code directly within your design workspace. This is especially useful if you're working on a tight deadline or want to keep everything in one tool without switching between apps. Now, you'll see a field where you can enter the website address you want people to visit when they scan the QR code. Paste or type the full URL, ideally using the secure HTTPS version. Make sure the link is correct and live. This is essential, as an incorrect or broken link will lead to a frustrating experience for anyone who tries to scan your code. A quick way to be sure is to open it in your browser first and double-check that it leads to the correct page. Short, clean links tend to scan and load faster, which can help improve the overall user experience. But if you're working with longer URLs, especially ones that include tracking parameters for marketing or analytics purposes, that's fine too. Just be sure to double-check for typos, avoid extra spaces, and ensure everything is correct before generating your QR code. Before generating your QR code, you can customize its look. Canva allows you to set the foreground color for the QR squares and a background color, which is especially helpful if you want the code to blend seamlessly into your design. You can also choose to have the code sit on a solid backdrop, which helps it stand out. Keep contrast high. A dark code on a light background scans best. This ensures that the code remains easily readable by scanners, whether they're on a mobile device or a desktop. Be careful with very light or pastel foreground colors, though, as they can sometimes be too faint for cameras to pick up, leading to scanning issues. A quick tip here is to test your design on different backgrounds to ensure the QR code remains visible and scannable in various settings. You'll also see a margin or quiet zone setting. This is the empty space around the code that helps scanners lock on quickly and accurately. A healthy margin greatly improves reliability, especially if your design has patterns, imagery, or text near the code. This space allows the scanner to easily distinguish the QR code from surrounding elements, making it much more likely that your code will scan successfully. When you leave enough margin, it ensures that the code stands out and isn't misread due to nearby distractions. When you're happy with the settings, click Generate Code. Canva instantly places the QR code into your design as an element, making it easy to move around and position. You can resize it by dragging the corner handles and position it wherever it's most convenient for your design. Keep in mind that visibility is key. Aim for clear placement and avoid stretching or warping the code. This can make it harder for scanners to read. If you're designing for print pieces that will be viewed at arm's length, make sure the QR code is large enough to scan comfortably. For optimal scanning, you may want to increase the size a bit to ensure that your audience won't struggle to use it. Increasing both size and contrast can significantly boost the success rate of scanning. As a quick quality check, view your design at 100% zoom and test the QR code with your phone. This is a crucial step. Sometimes, scanning can be inconsistent at smaller sizes or certain angles. If scanning is inconsistent, try enlarging the code slightly and test again. It's also helpful to check your design on different devices, such as a tablet or desktop, to ensure the QR code is universally readable. A QR code that's easy to scan across various platforms will provide a much better experience for your customers and audience. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and customize a scannable QR code in Canva, which you can easily add to your flyers, business cards, posters, or social posts.